Hello, this is my Food Inc. video response for environmental health, and I'm Michael Ziga. So, after watching Food Inc., I gathered that there remain five main things that we can do to combat industrial agriculture and help break the sort of destructive food system and food network that we're in. So, firstly, I think that we should buy from locals farmer markets, because as the film points out, industrial agriculture has been very harmful and has made uh, being a small farmer very difficult in the US. I think that we should also buy organic and non processed food. It's pointed out in the film that much of the stuff that we buy in a department store is very different. It has been processed significantly from their original forms. Uh, Thirdly, I think that you should discuss with your family how to eat more healthfully and consciously. I watched the film with my family, and then afterward, we discussed on where are some healthy options, what can we do to potentially combat the things that are happening in the film. Fourthly, I think we should eat smaller portions to eliminate food waste. Food waste is a big problem, especially in the United States. We often overeat, so I think eating smaller portions can help eliminate a lot of the food that is wasted. And then finally, I think that we can donate to local activist groups and charities, such as the people who made this documentary, to help combat sort of industrial agriculture and sort of the destructive practices that are being promoted. And finally, here are my sources for my pictures, and I'm about to get time. So thank you.